When I was inside that shed, I remember think about the Holocaust. There were babies over there, right? And they survived, some of them. So think about the Holocaust. I tried to hide in bushes because they were shooting at us. And I was thinking, like, they're shooting on a baby. In the WhatsApp group, people started to say, I hear people outside my house. And there, everybody started to hear guns. 3 minutes after everybody said there are terrorists inside their village, Yahav and I heard them coming near to our house until they were outside our windows. And there are tons of them. They came step by step and they just started to say hello to each other. And I heard a voice saying ta'al ta'al, which is come, come in Arabic. Me and Yav said to each other, like, no silent voice, so they won't hear us outside the window. We said, you're closing the door, I'm with the baby. And then Yahav, he looked at me for a second. We didn't even get to say goodbye. He pushed the door against them and confronting them so I can run away. Then I tried to knock on doors and windows, but they thought I'm a terrorist. I was hiding in the shed with her, of my neighbor. And I hear ta'al ta'al and more coming. I felt like, what, there are hundreds? Like, it's not... The amount of the bombing and the shootings were enormous. I've never thought I would be in such a situation in my life. And there was no one outside when I ran, so I thought only the terrorists are here. I tried to wait. I thought the army will come, but nobody came. A family that has a camera around their house was able to see that I'm not a terrorist when I knocked, and they came and they risked their lives. They put us in their mamad. They share with us the 2 bottles of water they have for their 3 children. And we have no food. We cannot get out for 27 hours of that mamad. And every time Shaya was crying, we felt like everybody are shooting us double. I feel I don't know where my country was, my government was in the same moment. We were fighting each other. They were right, we were weak. When you fight each other, you don't have time to see other warnings.